This module will discuss how to save a CSV file and upload that file using the Data Alliance File Upload tool. This functionality provides quick and easy access to file loading in support of various system processes. Start by opening your Excel template file. Next, remove any rows or columns you may have hidden in your Excel file. Then, remove all text below the last complete row and to the right of your content, as well as any blank rows in the middle of your document. You'll also want to remove any header, helper, or example rows in your document. CSV files are comma delimited or comma separated. That means they use a comma to separate each of the columns you see in Excel. Because of this, you'll need to be sure that any values over 1,000 are formatted without a comma. Special characters like $signs should also be removed. If you have text in multiple sheets, you will need to combine that data into a single tab as needed. The next step is to save the Excel file in CSV format. To do this, choose File, Save As. Choose a location where you will save the file. Remember where you saved this because you'll need to find it later. It is best to use a unique file name for each file you upload. Repetitive file names make it difficult to research file loading problems later. Adding today's date is a good way to make a file name unique. Click the drop-down next to Save As Type and select CSV. Then click Save. Click OK on the pop-up window that warns you about multiple worksheets. Then click Yes on the pop-up window about features lost when saving as CSV. Since you've already saved your CSV file, click Don't Save on the pop-up window that appears asking if you want to save your changes. If you'd like to check your work, do not use Excel to view that CSV file you just created. Excel tries to interpret the data as an Excel document and may make your file unloadable. Instead of Excel, use Windows Notepad or some other text editor to view the file. Next, you'll navigate to the Data Alliance main page. We'll go to the Maintenance column and click the drop-down at the bottom of that column and choose File Upload. Choose the correct file type in the File Type drop-down menu. As you can see, multiple file types can be loaded. I'm going to choose Copy History. You'll notice the system keeps a record of each file that's been uploaded, as well as the user who uploaded it and the date and time when the file was processed. To upload your file, click on the Browse button at the bottom of the page and navigate to the folder where the file is saved. Click on the file name, then click Open. Notice that file name now appears in the File window. Click the Upload button to begin file processing. Once the file begins processing, the file's processing information appears in the table at the top. Click the Refresh File History Display link until the status column reports that the file loading process is complete. Review the Summary section to ensure that no errors occurred during the file loading process. For this demonstration, we purposefully loaded a file that would produce errors. The system will also send an email to the email address specified in the Send Email Notifications To section at the bottom of the page. The email address should default to your email address loaded in the Data Alliance system. If any errors are reported, or if you are not able to see evidence that your file loaded into the Data Alliance system, please call or email customer care for more details. Occasionally, errors occur after a file has processed successfully via the file upload tool that require additional attention. Customer care will monitor errors which the upload tool may not provide feedback to you about, and will communicate these issues to you as quickly as possible. That concludes this module.